Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about how to be more confident. Confidence is very important in our life. When we are confident, we feel strong and happy. We can talk with people easily and do things better. But sometimes, many people feel shy or afraid. That is normal. Everyone can learn to be more confident step by step. Believing in yourself. Confidence starts from believing in yourself. You should tell yourself, I can do it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try your best. When you make mistakes, don't feel bad. Mistakes help you learn and grow. Every time you try again, you become stronger and more confident. Practicing every day. You can build confidence by practicing every day. For example, if you are shy to speak English, try to speak a little every day. You can talk to your friends, your teacher, or even to yourself in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural and comfortable you feel. Confidence comes from doing something many times until you are not afraid anymore. Take care of your body. Take care of your body. When you eat healthy food, sleep well, and exercise, you feel good. A healthy body helps your mind feel happy and relaxed. You can walk with your back straight, smile, and look at people when you talk. These small things show others that you are confident. Remember, your body language is very important. Smile often, stand tall, and keep eye contact. They make you look and feel confident. Set small goals. Next, try to set small goals for yourself. For example, you can plan to talk to one new person this week, or try something new, like learning a song or cooking a new dish. When you reach your goal, you will feel proud of yourself. Step by step, you can do bigger things. Confidence grows when you see your own progress. Spend time with positive people. Also, it is good to spend time with positive people. Stay close to friends and family who believe in you and make you feel happy. Avoid people who always say negative things or make you feel small. Positive people can give you energy and help you believe in yourself. When you are around them, you can feel more confident. Focus on your strengths. Another way to be more confident is to focus on your strengths. Everyone has something they are good at. Maybe you are good at playing sports, cooking, singing, or helping others. Find what you do well and spend time doing it. When you use your talents, you feel proud and happy. That happiness helps you feel more confident in other parts of your life too. Learn new things. Sometimes you may feel nervous before speaking in public or doing something new. That's okay. Take a deep breath, smile, and remind yourself that you can do it. Everyone feels nervous sometimes, even confident people. The difference is that confident people don't give up. They keep trying until they succeed. You can also become more confident by learning new things. When you study and know more, you feel ready to face challenges. For example, if you learn English, you can talk to more people. If you learn new skills, you can find better work or help others. Knowledge gives you power and confidence. Think positively. It's important to think positively. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I will try my best. Positive thinking changes how you feel and act. You can write down positive words like, I am brave, I am strong, or I can do it. Read them every morning to start your day with confidence. Confidence is not something that appears in one day. It takes time. You should be patient and kind to yourself. Every small step you take is important. Remember that you are special, and there is no one like you in the world. Believe in your value and your dreams. In short, to be more confident, you can believe in yourself. Practice every day. Take care of your body. Set small goals. Stay with positive people. Focus on your strengths. Think positively and keep learning. If you do these things, your confidence will grow. You will feel happier, stronger, and ready to face any challenge in your life. Confidence makes your life more colorful and helps you become the best version of yourself. If you want to watch my earlier videos, please subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications when I upload new ones. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.